Did you know that over 70% of your daily communication is encrypted and you don't even realize it? From text messages to GPS signals, secret codes are everywhere, and some are hiding truths you were never meant to uncover. For centuries, secret codes have protected kings, started wars, hidden treasures, and manipulated minds. But in today's world, codes are no longer just historical artifacts. They're the invisible language of power, shaping the world around you right now. Most people think of secret codes as spy stuff, puzzles, or movie fiction. But the truth is far more complex. Secret codes appear in corporate logos, social media, slang, advertising slogans, even how we speak. Some are simple. Others are impossible to crack unless you know exactly what to look for. Many were built so that only one person, in one place, at one time, could ever understand them. These aren't just messages, they're power encrypted into language. Let's decode a few examples. The pigpen cipher, used by secret societies, disguised as random symbols. Morse code, dots and dashes that helped win wars and still guide pilots today. The Enigma machine, once considered unbreakable, until Alan Turing cracked it and changed World War II. Even Hollywood joined in. Think the Da Vinci Code, national treasure, Mr. Robot. But it's not just fiction. These codes are everywhere, and some might be hiding in places you never noticed. But here's the one that nobody talks about. Cicada 3301.I in 2012. A message appeared online. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. What followed was a trail of puzzles across the internet. GPS coordinates, old books, images encoded with secret messages, even the dark web. Those who solved it vanished. No one knows who runs Cicada.is, at a government agency recruiting elite minds, a secret society, or something even more mysterious. No one knows. And that's exactly how they want it. Secret codes are not just puzzles. They are tools of control, power, and influence. Understanding them gives you the power to see the world differently and recognize what others miss. Think you could crack a code that's baffled the world for years? Drop your theory in the comments, and let's solve it together. Don't forget to subscribe for more cryptic mysteries, deep dives, and mind-blowing truths, because this is just the beginning.